breathe out, everybody scream fuck. I know I've gone too far this time. My grandpa said, don't be afraid of death. He's just your oldest friend, coming back for what he forgot. I hope I forget all these lies. The books that I am reading are the ones I forgot. I tore out all of the pages along with my heart, and I spelled your name still with the letters from the letters that I wrote. And I spelled out your name still with the letters from the letters that I wrote. See this body, see this body, see this body's not for me. And the way my bones are breaking is the way my skin will bleed. So I put out my fists and you mark both my hands with little X's that mean that I am extra unsafe. Where did your spine go? I know I've got none. Is it your heart that breaks first? Fragile bones, where does your spine go? I know I've got none. Is it your heart that breaks first? Fragile bones. She is playing on the playground, and she is playing on the swing, and she's learning words like fucking hate. And I know just what it means. It means she's just like her mom. She'll end up lonely and sad. She'll end up alone with rings in her mouth, with guns in her house, with holes in her heart. Hey kid, where did your spine go? I know I've got none. Is it your heart that breaks first? Fragile bones, where did your spine go? I know I've got none. Is it your heart that breaks first? Fragile bones, where did your spine go? I know I've got none. Is it your